What's up, guys? Bayboybassin here. Guess what, guys? It's snowing, and I'm crazy enough to go out and go fishing just to see if I can catch fish in the snow. Now, I want to say I apologize for not uploading. It's just been very rough, been very busy, and have not been able to catch fish. So hopefully the snow clears everything up and we can get it done, guys. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on all my social media. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's go, baby! Snow fishing, baby. Snow fishing. Peace. First thing for everything, right? Oh, yeah. It'll be alright. No biggie. This is what you call winter fishing, guys. You're going out fishing in any type of weather. This is where you catch the big fish at, guys. I'll tell you this right here. We're gonna start the day off with the lipless. Ouch, if I don't hook myself. Hey, you ducks need to leave me alone, guys. I am fishing. Fishing. Leave me alone. I'm gonna open up the gate right here. One fish, guys. One fish. That's all we need. Is one stinking fish. Are we gonna have to throw a jig or something? This can get a little interesting, guys. We got snow on the bank. You know, I'm just over here trying to catch some fish, you know. Looking like a retard fishing out here. But this is what fishing is about, right? Doesn't matter when you're out here. You're just out here trying to catch some fish, you know. Alright, we're gonna have to throw on something different. I'm thinking like a chatterbait though, you know? What do you guys think? Chatterbait maybe? It's the only thing I caught in my jig. Oh my gosh, look at that snow. Oh yeah, it's gonna be cold, guys. I'm getting snow on my butt crack. Ooh. It is freaking cold out here. Oh, baby. It's cold. It's so cold, guys. It's so cold. Oh my god, my hands are cold. I think it's so close. I'm over here trying to get very cold out here, you know. It's brutal. It's definitely brutal. Oh, we gotta keep fishing though. We ain't scared of nothing. We ain't scared. We gotta keep fishing, guys. We ain't scared. Oh, that felt like a fish. Oh, I can't even feel my hands. I am so cold, guys. I just don't know what to do with myself. Ah. God! Ah! God! Ah! Ah! Let's go. I'm ready. About to have the gloves down packed. Oh yeah, great. I think the camera's recording, hopefully. If not, oh well. I can't do nothing about that. This is their spot. Let us know, let us know, let us know. Hey, if we could catch a duck, I'd be good with that too. Shoot. We go with that too. Alright, my hands are good. Now my feet are cold. Ain't that great? Oh, there you guys go. The black snowman, guys. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Peace. I tried. That was tough. Let's get out of here. Let's see. Bayboybassin, baby. Bassin. Oh yeah, this is not good for the rod tip. Wouldn't recommend it. Alright, this end's gonna be a little tough. I think I got it. Alright, Bayboybassin, guys. Bayboybassin.